What if contradictions were quantum portals that shatter mental maps to reveal uncharted oceans of reality? The moment axioms collapse is not a mistake, but the cosmic birth of new geometries of understanding. When the equations of the soul collide with the formulas of the world, an epistemological earthquake emerges. How can we breathe when time decomposes into particles of simultaneous yesterdays and tomorrows? True revelation comes not with answers, but with questions that devour their own tails, like serpents programmed to reset your spiritual operating system. Step 1. Turn your certainties into liquid glass. Let the axioms melt like Dali-esque clocks, revealing that all logic is just a kind of poetry in full dress uniform. Step 2. Embrace the vertigo of overlapping universes. What lies beneath the veil when you discover that cause and effect are lovers who refuse to acknowledge their quantum marriage? Step 3. Program your inner compass with fractal codes. The error is not in the stars, but in that we read their messages with alphabets of clay. Whisper the black holes as you rewrite the laws of emotional gravity. How to distinguish between a logical error, mental debris, and a dimensional rift, portal to the inconceivable? The key: if you bleed light when you touch it, it's revelation. If you bleed doubt, it's a mirage. But what to do when the blood transforms into living mercury that defies both states? Collect every fragment of your shattered certainties. Build a quantum kaleidoscope. Spin until truth and lies merge into a new color of the spiritual spectrum. What beautiful monsters will be born when you stop fearing the geometries that challenge Euclid and Buddha alike? What value does N have when the soul operates in a logarithmic base and the heart in non-commutative geometry? What if limitations were cosmic passwords that activate higher levels of play when you recognize them as illusions? The ancient star scrolls warn, he who deciphers his own mental prison must become both key and lock. Don't resolve contradictions. Amplify them until they explode into epistemological supernovae. The next time your mental map disintegrates, dance on the rubble in antimatter shoes. Remember, even black holes doubt their own existence when no one is watching. What percentage of your truths are prisons in disguise? How can we identify and challenge the limitations in our models of understanding? What techniques can help us reveal logical contradictions in our axioms and definitions? How can we remove the mask of limitations in our perception of the world? What daily practices can help us identify and overcome flaws in our axioms? How can we transform our limitations into opportunities for spiritual growth?